guys, it's me, Ginger. I'm the old Bohemian Gypsy, and today I have some unboxings to do. So you'll see me in my little fluffy warm shirt with my waffle knit underneath because it's so cold here in Iowa. I am the old Bohemian Gypsy on YouTube. I resell clothing on Poshmark and eBay, and I do unboxings in my videos. I buy from ThredUp. I buy from, recently bought a 40-pound resale box from another YouTuber. And when I do that video, I'll leave all of her info below. I have a Poshmark closet, an eBay store, and I was trying out Mercari, but I don't use my phone for that because I do not have unlimited data. So it doesn't really work well from your PC. So I stopped listing on there, and I'm just probably going to abandon it altogether. I might put a little notice on there, go see me on Poshmark or something. I don't know, because it's not working for me. So that's kind of how that goes. And I may get interrupted from time to time because my little Sadie Mae, my little Shih Tzu, is very demanding of me, and she wants to be right here in the thick of things. And yes, my hair is different. I have on my cap. I need a haircut. My hair's a mess, and this is what I figured I could do. So that said, we're gonna do, I don't know which box this is, but I've got two ThredUp boxes that I'm going to, one in this video, and then I'll do another one. This is ThredUp. I believe this is the scarves, like 25 scarves or something. And I did cut the tape, but I did not look inside. And I'll show you what ThredUp, what their boxes look like. Well, actually, this looks a lot better than most that I get. A lot of times the paper's all messed up, but this is quite nice. And let's see what all they sent me as far as paperwork goes. I got the invoice, and it is, yes, this is the rescue box. Oh no, this is the mixed clothing. Size large, and I forget how many pieces are supposed to be in here. And I paid $38 for this, free shipping. And they have sent me something. Gift cards are here. I don't know about that, and it expired December 31st. How nice. So we'll put that aside, and we'll kind of dig in here and see what all we got. I have this ThredUp box, the other one, which is the scarves, and then I have another one, another box that I'll be doing today, I think, which is my monthly Monday. I always do it on a Monday, local Goodwill, where I buy. They have a color of the week, well, two colors actually. One color will be priced at $1, the next color will be at 49 cents. And I got some pretty good stuff this time. I got more than I usually do because pickings were a little bit better than usual. So let's see what all we got. I gotta do something about this flap. This is not working. Okay. Let's do this. Sorry. You can see I'm totally prepared, as always. Okay. Sorry about all the rattling. Oh, this is interesting. It's all folded up together like this. Huh. Okay, so let's open that file up, and we will see what we have here. I can find the first piece in the middle. I believe this is it. Okay. Well, this isn't too encouraging. This is, where's the top? This is like a basic tee. Lei, L-E-I, large sleepwear. Well, how lovely. And it's a slub knit, new with tag. And the tag has the price cut off, probably because it was like $4.99 or something. I will check it out, but to be really honest with you, I'll probably keep this one for myself. I don't know. Oh, and another thing I wanted to tell you, my inventory. Finally up to 200 on my Poshmark, which I just cross-list Poshmark and eBay. And I store everything in these 58 quart totes, and then I label the front of the tote with these. Now this is, the white part is where I actually peeled off that letter and stick it on. They're like static. If I want to take them off, they won't stick, but they do stick to the plastic. So right in front of me here, and I made out this little alcove right here. I have 9 totes sitting here, 3 more to fill up. This is my coffee table, what I can store on here, and then I've got 2 big shelving units coming, and I'm gonna be rearranging and doing all this stuff, and oh boy. Anyway, okay, there is piece number 1. Piece number 2 is, and again, oh no, Merona. It's cute. It's like an ECAT print. Maybe I should just angle this a little bit. Let's do that. You can see behind me, that's actually a picture of it's a wood carving of a lotus blossom. Very old. My mom got it in the early 60s, mid 60s maybe. She was an interior decorator. She has all that good stuff. Anyway, this is this little crossover, pullover, cap sleeve, top, Merona, size large. Oh boy, not too happy so far. Now the last time I got clothing from ThredUp, I was real happy with it, but right now I don't know. Okay, this is a pair of shorts, Dockers, size 14. Size is good. Just your basic little short, well not short, but you know, shorts, and they have the pockets in the back with the buttons. There's pockets here. It's got the belt loops, and it has the buttons, and the buttons on the pockets, and the zip. Oh, they zip as well, and they are size 14. I already said that. Okay, so there's that. That's okay, I guess. Another pair of shorts. This is khakis by Gap, size 14, and it is new with tag. $39.95 was the price. So it says size 14 roll up, sits just below the waist. Khakis by Gap, size 14. Just your basic, you know. It looks like somebody had tried to roll them up or something, which is possible. If the wearer, the buyer, wants to do something like that, they can do that. Okay, 2 t-shirts and 2 shorts so far. And now the next item looks like another, this is a tunic. It's a honey and lace. I don't know that brand. I'm not familiar with RN numbers and stuff. It doesn't look like it's Anthropology or anything like that, but it's a size large. It's got these cute cap sleeves. This is a very cute, it's sort of a Lagenlook. I don't mind this at all. I really don't mind this at all. This will go good in my closet. Happy enough with that. And like I said, it's a size large. That's good. You know, things are looking a little better. So, I'm going to pause for 1 second and blow my schnoz. Okay, I'm back. I have my libation here, my Diet Dr. Pepper. I am a Diet Dr. Pepper fanatic. I'm addicted. Okay, so spilt some. Of course I did. Okay, here's another little striped item, and this is a dress, and this is Derek Hart, size large. It's got this, you know, the way the hemming is done, it makes it like look like it's ruffled. It's got that, they stretch it when they sew it, and then it unstretches and gets ruffled, and it's the same on the top of the pocket here. It's the same, and the same on the hem. And this is a knee length. I'm going to say knee length, or just below the knee, little A-line dress, stretch. Yep, I don't know. I just do not know that brand at all. Okay, the way they have this folded, it's weird. At least everything wasn't just tossed in. Okay, this is L, size large. I think I have something from that in my closet, and this is a very Lagenlook, sort of boho-ish, with the bell sleeves. Very, very cute. I really like this, and I hope this brand comps out good. Okay, this is Kathy Ireland, size large. It is a it's like it's heavy like denim, but it's not denim. Poplin maybe. I don't know, but it's a jacket, and somebody had the sleeves rolled up. I will roll them down for pictures. And oh, that's interesting. It has zippers here. I think this is, no, it's not zipper. Oh, it's just for looks, I guess. See that? You see that? Strange. Anyway, with the tuxedo stripe thingies, and it's designed like a jean jacket. It's got the 3 buttons, collar, Kathy Ireland, size large, and here's the back. Not too bad. I don't mind that. Of course, I don't like dark colors. I have a hard time photographing them. Okay, this is a skirt with a zip on the side, a black skirt, and this is Giorgio Fiorlini collection, and it's been washed a few times. Size 12, that's a good size. And the zipper is in the back. Oh, it's got these really nice very wide belt loops. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. This is the front. Oh, and it's got this little peplum flare on the bottom. That's cute. This is really quite cute. What did I say? Size 12. Yeah, that's an okay size too. Okay, next item, which is the last item, is another skirt. It's a maxi skirt. It's a knit. It's a stretch knit. It is Charlotte Russe, size large. And here's Sadie in the background. Oh, this is interesting. Trying to show you here. See how it splits in the front like that? I like that. But it's a knit, and I believe I know it's got spandex, but let's see what else it has. Nothing there. It's not telling me anything here either. Oh, here we go. It is rayon spandex, but you can machine wash it, thank goodness. There was a day when there was nothing rayon that you could wash. So anyway, this is nice. Like I said, a size large. I'm happy with the sizes. Sizes were good. So that is it for this box. Tell me what you think about this. I'm kind of on the fence. I think the last box that I got I liked a little bit better. But you know, it's a crapshoot every time you buy one of these boxes, and I'm going to continue buying them because I like doing the videos for one thing, and I like hearing from you. Please like and subscribe my video. If you don't like it, fine. I've gotten, somebody went through all my videos, had to be same two people, because I got two do not or did not like or thumbs down, I guess, on every video. Strange. So somebody out there doesn't like me. And you know, that's their prerogative. Anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I am trying to build my channel up. I have a B&G Trading box on the way. They offered me a free 10-piece premium box if I would review it for them. Hey, I'm game. And next month I think I'm going to order one of their boutique boxes because I want to see what they are. And I think, you know, I did a honcho, and at first look, it was okay. Afterwards, the Kate Spade coat, which was the reason I bought the box in the first place, had cat hair all over it, which I didn't really pay attention to when I was opening the box. And it was pilled, so it was not new. And this, and it had no tag, so it was a return that somebody probably had for a while. The fact that it was pilled, and so I just, honcho, no good. I will not buy from them again. And the dresses that they sent me were all very grandma. I'm older than grandma. I'm like great grandma, and I wouldn't wear them. It's that style. Very churchy, and there are a lot of people out there that like that. It's not what I like for my closet, though, because they're extremely conservative, and I think that stuff does better on eBay rather than Poshmark, and I'm wanting to increase my Poshmark closet. Now Sadie is getting kind of antsy here. Come on, honey, come up. Come on. I'll let you get a gander at her. This is my little Sadie Mae. She is a pest a lot of the times. She is the love of my life companion, and she's about 2.5 years old now. I make food special for her. I make a little meatloaf with ground turkey and kale and apple and peas and carrots and yams and I don't know, egg and other stuff. I can't even remember. I've got a list. And I make, oh, and cheese. And I make these little meatloafs, and then I cut them up into, you know, serving size. She gets 2 1-cup servings a day. And then at noontime, she gets one of those jerky treats. That's her lunch, a nice size one. So, and then I have, you know, food down for her little non-grain kibble for her to munch on, which she does from time to time. So anyway, this is my little Punkin Dunkin, my little stinker dinker. And she's the one that was making all the noise in the background with her whining and everything. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for sitting through all of this, listening to me. I know I'm not the most interesting person, but I'm trying to make these a little more interesting. And let me put her down, please. Get down, Sadie Mae. Get down, honey. And so I will see you on the flip side, which I'll be wearing the same clothes because I'm going to do it right after this. Bye.